we're waiting, we're reactive. My job is more reactive. I'm waiting for them lot to make mess so I can tidy up their mess, essentially. What is this Jeep doing? What the fuck? What are you doing, Mr. VW? You just got cut up by a Jeep, so you wanted to cut me up? Yeah, is that how it works? Fucking hell. So, I'm just in a bad mood, bro. I try to do some of these scripts and they just sound like I'm pissed. And I just sound like there's nothing. Oh my god, I've realised that his reg is his car. He's got a whatever. Fucking hell. What are you doing? He's got a Jeep Rubicon, or whatever it is, and his reg says Rubicon. I was looking in my mirror as that guy started to indicate. I think. I don't know. But that was a bit mad. I was kind of creeping up his blind spot because he's on a bend and I'm behind him. Nothing happened. Don't turn. Why did you indicate into the right hand lane to then come back over here? Honestly, do you know what I mean? Tell you I'm in a bad mood, bruv. Look at the sequence of events that just happened. Man's pissed, bruv. It's a Friday night and I'm driving to work. I do this every Friday night. I go to work. I drive past all the people in their nice outfits, going pub, going out, going club, doing all this bullshit, yeah? Man's going to work. But that is another story. Let's not woe it's me. Anyway.